Hey everyone, today, we're taking a look at the Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25 for 2024. This car is a special edition of the popular Polo GTI, and it's celebrating the 25th anniversary of the GTI badge. Let's take a closer look. The first thing you'll notice about the Polo GTI Edition 25 is its sleek and sporty design. It's got a unique front bumper, side skirts, and rear diffuser, all finished in gloss black. The car also sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, which really complete the look. Inside, the Polo GTI Edition 25 is just as impressive. It's got sport seats with the GTI logo, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a digital instrument cluster. The car also comes with a 10-inch infotainment system, which includes features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. But let's talk about what's under the hood. The Polo GTI Edition 25 is powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, which produces 250 horsepower and 273 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, which makes for smooth and quick shifts. So, how does it drive? Well, the Polo GTI Edition 25 is a blast to drive. It's got plenty of power, and the suspension is tuned for a sporty and engaging ride. The car also comes with a limited slip differential, which helps with traction and handling. Overall, the 2024 Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25 is a fantastic car. It's got a unique and sporty design, a well-appointed interior, and plenty of power under the hood. If you're a fan of the GTI badge, this car is definitely worth checking out. What do you think about the Volkswagen Polo GTI Edition 25 for 2024? Please share your thoughts in the comments box below. For more wonderful updates on your favorite cars, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel before you leave. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you on the next one.